Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be talking about what happened to the 76 Trans Am and what we're going to do about it. Right guys, here we go. Now there was an issue with the paint of the 76 Trans Am. As you guys can see, I have it sanded down already so that I can flow coat it. I was gonna cut and buff. I actually did the cutting of the clear coat. I blocked it off with 800, 1000, 2000, 3000 and 4000. I cut it down, so I started buffing the car. As soon as I reached to certain points of the car with the buffing, I saw something that is called solvent pop, and that is not right to leave it like that. Let me show you where it came out and what it looks like. One of the areas that appeared with solvent pop was right there in this corner. You're hardly gonna be able to see it, but let me see if I can get you a better view. I'm gonna put some quick check and I'm gonna turn on the light. Right there guys, all of that you see white, it's solvent pop. Everything else is perfect. That means that there was between the base, the black base, and the first layer of clear, I guess I didn't wait enough time to apply the clear. I usually wait 15 minutes, but that day was extremely hot. I did use slow reducer for the base, so I think I miscalculated on the in between times. I did leave it 15 minutes, but I don't think it was enough, and that happened. So when I first applied that first layer of clear, the base was not dried enough, so that base wanted to escape. Hope I make myself clear. That the fumes wanted to escape through the clear, and that's what occurred. Another spot was in this area right there near the cell area. Let me bring the quick check real quick so that I can show you that area also. Let's see, it was right there. Right there. I hope you can get it. I hope that, yeah, the camera's capturing it right there guys. Those are the only two places that this happened. So in order for me to fix it, or in order for you to fix something like that, I'm gonna have to, the rest of the car is perfect, I already checked it, so I'm gonna have to blend some black paint just on those areas and flow coat the entire car. Instead of the cutting and buffing, I'm gonna be flow coating it. So that's the best way to do it. Just there's no other way. If you sand it, keep on sanding to see if you reach that area so you can buff it, it's not gonna work. You do need to cut it down, sand it down, and just spot blend. That's basically it. Just spot blend on those areas and flow coat the entire car. Now let me show you real quick other pictures as to how it looks. Here are some more examples of solvent pop right there guys. As you can see, it happens. It happens to the best of us. It happens to everybody, and all you need to know is how to fix it. Now this is fisheye right here, right there. and it's totally different. It's a little bit more pronounced than the solvent pop. There you go. As you saw how it looks, now we gotta fix it. I'm just glad it wasn't a lot of it. It was just in those areas right there and over there. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm just gonna get some acetone with a microfiber towel, just clean the entire car, make sure that any residue or anything that might be on the car is gone, so that we can start the blending and the flow coating. There it is. The blending of the paint has been applied. Now I know that everything is nice, covered. I'm gonna wait 15 minutes. Right now it's 93 degrees, so I am gonna use some slow activator and slow reducer. All right. Yes, for the flow coat, you need to add about 10% of reducer to the clear. And here it is, guys. After 2 full wet coats of clear, we are good to go. Now all the place that I had here that was messed up, it's fixed. On the other side, let me go real quick so you can see it. Right here, it's been fixed. Now, it does have little dirt nibs here and there, which I'm still gonna cut and buff, guys, but it's not gonna be too aggressive now. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go with probably 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, and 4,000. If not, I'll start with 2,000 because most of the orange peel is gone. So I'll probably start with 2,000 all the way to 4,000. Just give it a light buff This car is ready. All right. And this is going to be it, guys. This is going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you now know how to fix those little solvent pops that might occur. The only way is to spot blend. That's basically it, guys. All right. Thank you very much, guys. Like always, have a great week. Have a great weekend. And I'll see you next coming weekend. Thank you. Stay safe and God bless.
Hands deep in the grease, call it auto therapy. Far away spray, got the drip, it's clarity.